Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics so the App Store can reappear. First, make sure your iPad runs a supported iOS. Update in settings if needed because system updates restore missing system apps. Next, verify you're signed into your Apple ID under Settings. The App Store needs an active account. Once done, open Screen Time and inspect content and privacy restrictions. Disabling or allowing App Store access fixes many disappearances. These steps prepare the device and remove permission blocks before deeper fixes. Now you'll restore the icon and visibility. Start by using Spotlight. Swipe down on the home screen and type App Store. If found, press and drag it back to home. If it isn't searchable, reset the home screen layout from Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad Reset. This recreates standard app placement. Also return to Screen Time and ensure installing apps is allowed. Toggling the restriction off then on can re-register the App Store. Finally, check the app library in case it's hidden in a folder. To complete restoration, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes App Store permissions and purchases. If that fails, perform a force restart. This clears temporary glitches and often returns missing system apps. Make sure to back up to iCloud or a computer before erasing. If the App Store still won't appear, erase all content and settings, then restore from your backup. This is a last resort repair that resolves deeper software corruption. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.